In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable monetization in Quora. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that monetizing your content on Quora isn't something you can just switch on with a simple button. Quora's main monetization options, like Quora Plus and Space monetization, are typically invitation-only programs. That means you can't directly apply whenever you want. Instead, Quora looks at your account, your content, and your audience, and then decides whether to invite you. So what can you actually do to move toward monetization? The most direct path you control is creating and growing a Quora space. A space is like a mini community around a specific topic. Once you create a space and start posting consistently, engaging your audience, and bringing in followers, you may eventually see options appear in the monetization tab of that space. That's where some creators can enable earnings from their space activity, such as partner programs or revenue sharing where available. Another potential route is monetizing your answers through Quora Plus. This is where some of your answers can be placed behind a paywall, and subscribers' reading activity can generate income for you. But again, access to this is by invitation only. Quora looks for creators who already have strong engagement, a recognizable presence, and content that people return to repeatedly. Because you can't directly apply, your main job is to focus on what you can control: the quality of your content and the strength of your audience. Write high-quality, original answers in your own words. Avoid spammy behavior or overly AI-generated, low-effort responses. Aim to be genuinely helpful, thorough, and clear. Over time, this builds trust and encourages people to follow you. To realistically get noticed for monetization, you'll usually need significant engagement, often thousands of followers and large numbers of views across your answers and spaces. It doesn't happen overnight, so think of this as a long-term project rather than a quick money-making shortcut. There are also basic eligibility requirements. You typically need to be at least 18 years old, live in a country where Quora monetization programs are supported, and follow all of Quora's content and community policies. Violations can hurt your chances of being invited or remaining in a program. Keep in mind that earnings are often modest. Many writers report only a small amount of income, even with a lot of content. Plus, paywalling your answers can reduce how many people see them, since only subscribers can access paywalled content. On top of that, monetization is not available everywhere, and some regions are excluded entirely. So to sum it up, build great original content, grow a consistent audience, create and nurture a space, and stay within Quora's rules. Then, if you're in an eligible region and your engagement is strong enough, you may eventually receive an invitation to monetize.